Welcome to the local lectures. This is Dharmaji. Today our concept is heat. Heat is the heat is the amount of thermal energy thermal energy thermal energy that can be that can be transferred from high temperature body to high temperature body to high temperature body to low temperature body body by the temperature difference temperature difference by the difference temperature difference. Heat is the amount of thermal energy that can be transferred from high temperature body to low temperature body by the temperature difference between two bodies by the temperature difference between two bodies, that is called heat. Basically thermal energy is the kinetic energy of the molecules of the substance. Heat also thermal energy, but total thermal energy is not heat. Heat is the how much of energy will be transferred from one body to, that means high temperature body to low temperature body, that is called heat. It is represented as Q. It is represented as Q. Units for heat. Units for heat. Joules or kilojoules.
The figure displayed on the board is hot body at 50 degrees centigrade. Another body is a cold body. It is at 20 degrees centigrade temperature. Hot body has high thermal energy than cold body. Why? Because the thermal energy is directly proportional to the temperature of the body. Thermal energy is the kinetic energy of the molecules of the substance. It always transfers from high temperature body to low temperature body as shown in the figure until the cold body attains thermal equilibrium with hot body. How much amount of thermal energy is required to get thermal equilibrium is called heat. It means the transferable quantity of thermal energy is called heat.
Next concept is specific heat. Represented as C. It is also called as specific heat capacity. It is defined as the amount of heat is required to rise the temperature of kg substance 1 kg substance by 1 degree centigrade or 1 Kelvin is called specific heat capacity or specific heat. Specific heat is defined as the amount of heat is required to rise the temperature of 1 kg substance by 1 degree centigrade or 1 Kelvin. It is denoted as C. Units for specific heat is joule per kg degree centigrade or joule per kg Kelvin. For solids and liquids, simply we find specific heat. But for the gas, these are in two forms. One is CV. CV means specific heat at a constant volume, and another one is CP. CP means specific heat at a constant pressure.
The figure shows 1 kg of substance. Substance may be solid, liquid or gas. Before heating, the substance temperature may be 30 degrees centigrade. Heating raises the temperature of the substance. So, how much amount of heat is required to rise the temperature of 1 kg of substance by 1 degree centigrade or 1 Kelvin is called specific heat. Specific heat value is constant for each substance. For the solids and liquids, the specific heat value is unique. Why? Because for solids and liquids, the negligible change in its volume by small heat supply. But when coming to the gases, greater change in its volume and pressure by the small amount of heat supply. Therefore, gases have two values for specific heat. Those are specific heat at constant pressure and specific heat at constant volume.
Next concept is specific heat at the constant volume. It is the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 kg gas at constant volume of the gas by 1 degree centigrade or 1 Kelvin is called specific heat at a constant volume. So it is represented as CV, C suffix V. C for specific heat, V for constant volume. So the units for the specific heat at constant volume is same as specific heat.
The figure shows substance is gas. Before heating, gas has 1 kg mass, 30 degree centigrade temperature, P1 pressure, V1 volume. The motion of the piston is constrained by stopper to maintain constant volume. Heat supplied to the gas at constant volume raises temperature and pressure of the gas. In this condition, how much amount of heat is required to rise the temperature of gas by 1 degree centigrade or 1 Kelvin is called specific heat at constant volume.
Next concept is specific heat at the constant pressure. It is defined as the amount of heat is required to rise the temperature of 1 kg gas at constant pressure. Is called specific heat at constant pressure. It is denoted as Cp. C stands for specific heat, P stands for constant pressure. So Cp is the specific heat at constant pressure. The units for specific heat at constant pressure is same as specific heat. That means joules or kilojoules.
The figure shows gas is a substance. Before heating, the mass of the gas is 1 kg, temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, pressure is P1 and volume is V1. To maintain constant pressure, leave the piston moves upward. During heat supply, some of the heat is used to move the piston upwards to do some useful work to maintain constant pressure. Remaining heat is used to raise the temperature and volume of the substance. In this condition, how much amount of heat is required to raise the temperature of the gas by 1 degree centigrade or 1 Kelvin is called specific heat at constant pressure.